How many times have your emotions wrecked a perfectly good trade? You saw a green candle, you FOMO'd in. It dumped, of course, you panic out. And then you watch it fly right after you've just sold. Well, that was my story too, until I learned what the smart traders were actually doing. Of course, they're using AI and they're using it in the right way. AI doesn't panic, it doesn't hesitate, it doesn't care which way the market moves, and it definitely doesn't take trading advice from 𝗪𝗏𝗺𝗪𝗺 in a VIP pump and dump trading group on Telegram. Whether Bitcoin's pumping or dumping, AI reacts instantly. So in this video, I'll show you exactly what the smart traders are doing, how they're using AI to trade crypto, and why you should too. Because let's be honest, if FOMO did work, we'd all be billionaires by now. So AI is nothing actually new. It's been around for decades in finance, hedge funds, algorithmic trading. But you know, crypto, it's taken AI to a whole new level. In 2025, the AI trading market, in fact, tripled from around 4.8 billion to over $15 billion. But here's really what's wild. This is what I can't get my head around. It's obviously not just the big institutions using it anymore. Retail traders have access to the same tools. They're so powerful, and of course they're free. So these tools are available to me, to you, to everyone, and they're available with ease on platforms like Telegram and DeFi platforms, even your own trading exchanges. So this is how AI can help you trade smarter, and I've broken it down into 4 easy to understand pillars. If we break it down, AI can actually help you become way more profitable in crypto. It's true that emotions might move markets, but AI makes money from them. And this is how you and I can too. So the first pillar from these 4 ways AI can help you make money from crypto is predictive analytics. This is a big one because AI can forecast market trends way faster, much smarter than any human can by studying thousands of patterns. It can do this studying live order flow, historical volatility. Platforms are already doing this, like Tickeron. It uses this to predict price patterns and reversals. Then you've got CoinGPT, which takes it that step further, giving you real-time bias, key levels, trade logic, and this is for any coin in any time frame. You can literally type the name of a ticker or a coin into its Telegram bot, and it'll give you a breakdown whether it's bullish, bias, giving you stop loss levels, and even take profit levels. So that's analysis in seconds with zero emotion. Then the second pillar is really on sentiment analysis. So AI can scan millions of social posts, headlines, and on-chain metrics in seconds to measure the mood of the market. For macro sentiment, real-time data, I actually use Grok. This is X's AI tool. It tracks real-time beta chatter around Bitcoin, ETH, altcoins, meme tokens, faster than anyone in real-time data. You've got platforms as well doing this, like Rockflow. It does something similar across social and market feeds, but I do prefer Grok, one, because it's connected to X, which I'm on anyway, and it's free to use. But when you combine that sentiment, that data, with a tool like, going back to CoinGPT, which merges analysis, chart data, you get something actionable. Not just the market feels bullish, bearish, but here's the level it might actually flip. So that's when AI really does become practical. So the third pillar in which AI can really help us become better traders, more profitable traders, is of course automated AI trading bots. This is where things get really interesting. AI can now execute trades automatically 24/7, whether you're at the gym, whether you're playing with your kids, whether you're doing whatever, I don't need to know. It can make money for you. It's perfectly disciplined. Bots like Cornix, 3Commerce, just to name but a few, can handle grid and dollar cost averaging trade setups. TradeGPT, which is actually Bybit's own in-house automated trade and AI, can help you connect AI logic directly to your trading account. And then you've got, again, CoinGPT. It goes by rule-based trading. It offers 3 adaptive AI strategies to suit any trader, and again, super easy to use on Telegram. For example, it has a strategy Rebound for reversals, it has Surge for momentum, and Echo for trend continuations. Surge is actually the one I've been using on CoinGPT, and it's been doing pretty well lately. The AI decides whether to go long or short depending on the structure. It's totally neutral, has no bias, it doesn't care about direction, and like I said in the intro, it doesn't care what your mate thinks in some dodgy Telegram group. It just trades. That's the benefit of it. And honestly, guys, who wouldn't want someone else or something else doing the hard work while you're pretending to research altcoins on X at 2 a.m? So the fourth pillar here is really about portfolio and risk optimization. AI also helps with risk, and this is one of the biggest benefits, should I say, I was going to say negatives, that crypto traders need to understand and know more about, because AI, it could dramatically adjust exposure, margin, stop loss levels, take profit as volatility changes in the market. It's fully dynamic. It can react to data in seconds. You've got platforms like Algos One handle portfolio balance automatically. And in CoinGPT, the take control section of the auto trading feature lets you change leverage, margin directly from Telegram. So you can always have a well-managed risk amount depending on your own portfolio size according to what you actually want to risk versus reward. It makes disciplined trading simple, and that's where AI really does shine here. So if you want to experience this in your own trading, CoinGPT actually lets you test it free right now on Telegram. You can analyze coins instantly, any time frame, and you can even try one of the strategies I mentioned in their own demo mode. I'll leave the link below, but let's keep going because the next part really does connect all the dots here. This is why AI helps you trade better. So why are traders using AI outperforming others? How are they doing this? It's because AI is emotionless. It doesn't FOMO or revenge trade. You've been there, I've been there. It's instant. It reacts faster than any human could. Of course, consistently, it follows logic, not feelings. When you combine that with human judgment, your understanding of the market, you get the best of both worlds, insight and execution. AI doesn't replace you. It just merely upgrades you. But it doesn't come without its risks and limitations. We need to discuss those as well. So before you dive in headfirst to some of the platforms I've mentioned or tips that I've given you from this video, let's understand some important truths. AI isn't magic. It's only as good as the data it learns from. So some of the drawbacks: a model that worked perfectly last week, last month, may not work this week. The market does change and AIs can change as well. AI is only as good as its data. Bad data means bad predictions, and there is latency as well. The executions for auto trading on AI can sometimes be slow. Even in perfect analysis, money can be lost due to the, let's say, delays between the AI you're using in the exchange that's executing the order. And then there's regulation. Governments are only just starting to catch up. Just use AI as your co-pilot, not your autopilot. You're still the captain. That leaves us to the future of AI trading. How good can it actually become, and what's to be expected over the next few years? So let's talk about what's coming up. I mean, we're heading into an era of better decentralized AI, trustless trading agents built on chain. We should see quantum optimized. So that means split second decision making across portfolios. And then there's reinforcement learning, bots that actually evolve based on past trades. Then we really should see personalization in AI co-pilots that actually adapt to your strategy, your risk, your personality, and to your own risk tolerance. AI, it's not just analyzing charts anymore. That's what a lot of people fail to understand. It's learning you. And traders who understand this will shift now, will be miles ahead when it becomes mainstream in the next couple of years. So to conclude what we've learned in this video, and really here is the bottom line: AI isn't replacing traders, but traders who use AI will replace those who don't. So start small, use Grok for real-time sentiment, test Cornix or 3 for automation, and try TradeGPT on Bybit or some of the other crypto platforms I have in the link below, where there's bonuses, by the way, that also have AI platforms. Definitely explore CoinGPT if you want a complete AI system that analyzes signals and even auto trades all in one easy place. You can try it free on Telegram. I'll leave the link down below. Because at the end of the day, guys, the market doesn't care about your emotions. but your AI won't have any. So I'll leave it at that. Please feel free to check out any one of these videos on screen. Please do like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on another video very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.